The circulatory system. Today we will learn about the name and describe the main parts of the human circulatory system and describe the role of the heart, blood and blood vessels. Alright. So function to transport blood, oxygen and nutrients to the body. And main parts, it has three main parts. Number one, heart. Number two, blood vessels and blood. It works as a pump to move the blood around the body. It has four chambers, two atria and two ventricles. Right atrium takes in blood carrying carbon dioxide, and blood is squeezed down into the right ventricle and taken to the lungs, and where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide. Oxygen carrying blood from the lung enters the left atrium. Blood is pumped into the left ventricle and starts its journey again throughout the body. It is a special fluid primarily contained with the blood vessels. It has four main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells, that is, carry oxygen and nutrients and waste. White blood cells fight disease and protect the body from infection. Platelets gather at the site of the injury, help the clotting process. Plasma, straw-colored liquid, where the other components float in. To closely examine it, blood undergoes component separation. One common method involves spinning it at very high speeds in a centrifuge. So blood is divided into its components with the heaviest part at the bottom. Blood vessels. These are tubes or channels that carry blood throughout our body. There are three types of blood vessels: vein, artery, capillaries. Each one differs in size and structure. Artery, it has the thickest wall of all three, allowing it to withstand and high pressure created by the heart. Capillary, it has the thinnest wall to allow substance such as oxygen and sugars to pass through its wall into our out of the blood. Vein, it is less muscular and stretchy than an artery, so blood moves through it with low pressure. It also has a special valve that helps blood go only one way. Artery carries blood away from the heart. Capillary assists in the exchange of substance between the blood and tissues. Vein carries blood back towards the heart. So you need to remember A for artery and away from the heart. Sickle cell disease is an inherited blood disorder. People with sickle cell disease have red blood cells that become hard and sticky, forming a C shaped blood cell instead of the healthy disc shaped one. Considering what you have learned about blood and blood vessels, how does this shape affect blood flow in the circulatory system? The irregular shape of the sickle cell shaped blood cell makes it easy to clog and block the blood flow. So, this can cause pain and other serious infections. Heart, that is the muscular organ that has four chambers, pumps blood around the body. And blood, it has four components: plasma, red blood cell, white blood cell, and platelets. Carries oxygen, nutrients, and waste. Blood vessels, it has three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries serve as channels for the body. Alright, this is your homework, guys. Write a story as though you are a red blood cell. What do you look like? What is you? What is your job? Sorry. And where do you from are found? And where do you travel from and to. That's all, guys, and thank you so much, and don't forget to be awesome.